Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drawer slide screw in your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken or damaged, or because the slide is loose in the fridge. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So what we're going to do is open both of our doors up. And now I'm going to take the drawers out, and those just slide straight out. And now we're going to take this shelf out carefully. This shelf is just a glass shelf, so we don't want to drop it or damage it in any way. Now we'll take out the middle shelf support. There we go. And now we'll go to the bottom. We can take a pantry drawer out here. And again, that just slides straight out. And now we'll take out this piece of glass right here, another shelf. And you just want to be careful again not to damage it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take these trim pieces out. So those just slide right back, and we'll push down on them and they pop right off. And same thing on this side, just pops out, pushing it down a little bit and pulling it back, and it snaps out. And now we're going to remove the 2 screws holding this support down. And with those screws out, we can just lift up and pull this out. And there's a support behind that, which you can also pull out as well. Now I can pick up this shelf support and take it out. Now you'll see on the drawer slide we've got a screw on the front, but our back screw is missing. So the next thing we need to do is we need to take this screw off of the pantry support. And once that screw is off, you can lift up on the support and then pull it straight back. And the reason why we had to take this entire support off was, if you look right here, there's a bracket that holds the screw into place on this side, and luckily we have the bracket on this side, and that'll just go back in there, and then we can screw it into place. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drawer slide screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now you just put your screw into place, and you hold the bracket from the other side and screw that in. Now we'll put the support back in and slide it all the way back, and it'll drop into the slots there, like so. So now I'll put this metal guard in first, and we'll lift up the support here and set the guard in just like that. Now we can put this in, and we're going to make sure that this lever here goes into a slot right there, and you'll see the gray slide that moves back and forth. So when you put that into the slide, you're just going to want to make sure it lines up. And then just make sure that these 2 tabs go into the slots there. Test out your slide. And once you've made sure that all works, you can screw it down. Now we'll put the glass shelf back in place. and that'll set right on that support there. And there we go. Now we can put the bottom shelf back in. And you just want to make sure that the door glide goes up and into its space. And everything should open and close nice and easy, just like that. And now to put this back in place, all we have to do is line up that long slot there with the long piece there. And this slot right here with these two tabs is where this longer part goes. That sits in there. And the other part on the bottom should slide straight in and it'll snap into place. Now we'll put our shelf back into place. And you're going to want to make sure that the rounded end that has the cutout back here goes towards the back. And once you've got it in place, it should sit on both the supports on either end. And now we can put our glass shelf back into place. Just angling it because the doors are wide. And once you've got it in there, gently set it on the shelf, just like that. Now we're going to put our Christopher drawers back in. And what you're going to want to do is just make sure the wheels on either side line up with the track there so it slides in nice and easy. Same thing on this side. I'm just lining up those wheels with the track. And you'll see right there it wasn't lined up, so it didn't go in. We'll try it again. And there we go. Now we can close our refrigerator doors. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.